here's how to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can hide your TikTok account from your contacts. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First is just simply open up TikTok. And once you're inside TikTok, you can just simply go to your profile, which is right over here, and you just need to press on that. And once you're inside your profile, you just need to go ahead and press on these three horizontal lines on the top corner. Just simply press on them. I'll see four options. You just gotta go ahead and press on the option number 4, which is settings and privacy. Once you're here, go ahead and press on the option of privacy, and right over here you'll see the option of suggest your account to others. Just go ahead and press on this and simply just turn all these features off. Do just like that. Turn it off, and here you go. Now you've successfully hidden your account from your contacts. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.